What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. And I have to say that Mullen Automotive found another support at the range of about 12.6 cents. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the driver for this asset for upcoming days. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. As I already mentioned, this asset found quite decent support at the range of about $12.6 cents mark. And it touched this range for 3 times during last 3 sessions. And I have to say that for now it is tightening its range, and previously it had much bigger ranges of volatility. But for now, for 3 consecutive sessions, it doesn't break this channel that has about 13% of the movement. So, and what might be the news that could help Mullen Automotive to move higher? Definitely it is the announcement of the beginning of the production, and I have to say that it should not be only the announcement, it should be the real vehicles that should be produced in Tunica or Mishawaka plant. But unfortunately this will not happen because they have only the leftovers from ELMS company. And the only way how they can produce these vehicles is to receive more spare parts and basically pre-assembled vehicles from the Chinese manufacturers. And right here, as you can see on importgenius.com, and this website tracks the import-export deals of every US based company. And if you click on shipments, you can find that the most recent shipment was made on July 18th, and it was 112 batteries for their vans. And the only reason why they need these batteries is that the current batteries are not in a good shape, and that is why they have to replace these batteries. Otherwise, some of my viewers might think that they are starting to produce these vehicles, but definitely it is not the first part that they need to buy in order to begin this production. Definitely it is one of the main components of the electric vehicle, but it is not the very beginning. And that is why we have to keep this in mind, and we have to know that all of their vehicles is nothing else but a Chinese made vehicles. You can find them on the Chinese websites, and definitely it is a pure import process when the company want to sell these vehicles. So, and let me show you another quite interesting news. Cal from Financial Journey made about 4 videos for the last couple of days, and in his recent videos he mentioned that he's talked to David Michery, and the main question is, was it an interview that he announced previously, or it was just a private call that will not be disclosed by any means? But at the same time, Cal told us that the 1-to-100 reverse stock split is not possible, and this is the direct quotation of David Michery. And if it is the reality, the main reason why they want to push forward their proposals in upcoming stockholder meeting is that they have to reduce their responsibility during the switching of the registration point from Delaware to Michigan. And this might be the very important steps for the personal safety of David Michery, because he's done a lot and he potentially broke some of the SEC rules, and to avoid this responsibility he has to move to Michigan, and this is his main intention. On top of that, if Cal from Financial Journey made this interview and he didn't post, as you can see, he didn't post yet on his channel, this means this interview is somewhere else, and potentially it is again in the process of editing by the David Michery team, and potentially it will be another announcement, another official statement made with SEC that this video is an official video of Mullen Automotive, and where David Michery disclosed some information that should be disclosed by the PR statement. And in this case, Cal is in a quite tricky situation because he confirmed several times that he has some Mullen shares. And when he makes this type of videos, and these videos is the subject of editing by David Michery's team, definitely it might be not legal for Cal to make this type of interviews. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I still stand on my position that I don't think this asset might go higher fundamentally. The only way how we can see the spikes in its price is just an announcement from David Michery, and the upcoming announcement definitely might be the interview that I already mentioned that was made by Cal from Financial Journey. And if this interview will have something new regarding the beginning of production, new partnerships, or any other information that might push the price of the stock higher for the short period of time, so this will be the spike in its price. Otherwise, let's switch to, let's say, 1 hour time frame and zoom out. You can see that this asset is in consistent downtrend and it lost a lot of its value, and we don't have any signs of recovery for this asset. And this means, guys, just ask yourself honestly, do you want to invest in the company that lost more than 99% this year alone? I don't think so. And definitely, if you believe that Mullen Automotive might hit much higher targets because they are producing electric vehicles that has huge demand on the US market. So just invest in other companies that don't have this number of red flags that fundamentally will ruin your investment. And this price chart proves my words, and nothing will change it until David Michery is the CEO of this company, and until Mullen Automotive will not disclose full story of their real intention and how they produce, so-called produce these vehicles. That is why it is just my personal opinion, it is not a financial advice, but I don't suggest you to enter any long position with this asset, despite any news and potential so-called catalysts that you might find in the internet. It is not worth your attention, and it will not be a major fundamental bull run for this asset for the foreseeable future. That is why just stay cautious, and just be cautious and stay aside from any trades if you don't know how to properly manage your position. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.